Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear shocks. First, always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and wearing appropriate protective gear. You will need a sturdy jack, 2 reliable jack stands, a comprehensive socket set, and a torque wrench. Having penetrating oil and a wire brush can also make the job much smoother. Make sure your new shocks are readily accessible before you begin. With your vehicle safely elevated and supported by jack stands, begin by removing the rear wheels. This provides ample space to access the shock absorbers. Locate the upper and lower mounting bolts for the shock. Apply penetrating oil if needed, then carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once both bolts are out, the old shock absorber can be gently pulled free from its mounting points. Now, take your new shock absorber and ensure all new bushings and washers are correctly placed. Carefully position the new shock into its upper mounting bracket, inserting and hand-tightening the bolt. Next, align the lower mounting point, possibly needing to slightly raise or lower the axle to match the hole, then insert and hand-tighten that bolt. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten both bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Before lowering your vehicle, take a moment to double-check that all mounting bolts for the new shocks are securely tightened to their specified torque. Reinstall the rear wheels, tightening the lug nuts in a star pattern to the correct torque. Once everything is secure, carefully lower the vehicle to the ground. Take a short, cautious test drive to ensure proper handling and confirm there are no unusual noises or issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.